Honestly, this is pretty good. Much better than I was expecting. Yeah, this is pretty good. Yeah. Not feeling that one.
You're listening to DisasterClass podcast by Instinct Ready Emergency Management. Hello, everyone. Jason here, and we're going to be doing something a little different today. It's been a while since we've done a product review. I feel like it's even been over a year since we've done a product review video. And fortunately, I just got a box of MREs from MREs World. They reached out to me and asked if I would do a little product review, give my honest feedback. So we're going to give it a shot. I have not had any of these before. Don't know if it's going to be good. Don't know if it's going to be bad. We're going to find out together. So let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, let's see what we got here. Woo! This thing is heavy. Well, it's sealed really good, I can tell you that. All right, so we got individually wrapped MREs. Got here chicken burrito bowl, beef patty jalapeno pepper jack, Italian sausage with peppers and onions. So the box said it came with 12, and it did in fact come with 12. Let me put this aside. I'm thinking I'm going to try Italian sausage with peppers and onion and marinara sauce. And then, you know what? I'm always a sucker for a slice of pizza. We'll give the pepperoni pizza a try. All right, so we're going to go ahead and try the Italian sausage with peppers and onion. Okay, open it up. All right, so let's see what we've got. The heater. So we've got the instructions there. Some beef jerky here, condiments, dry roasted peanuts, crackers, cheese spread, beverage base, orange, cranberries. This is our sausage with peppers and onions. And we've got our handy spoon. So let's go ahead and cook this up. We'll follow the instructions that are listed on the pack here. We're going to tear off the top of this bag, place the pouch with the heater, and then while holding the pouch and heater above the lines on the bag, we're going to pour some water until it reaches the level between the lines. So we have the lines here. We're going to put the water in there. And then what that does is it creates a reaction that actually self-heats. So what's really nice about MREs is you can heat up your food. You don't have to worry about starting a fire or using an external heat source because it comes with your heat source. Now, you guys know I love Mountain House. They are one of my favorite brands out there. But the downside is you do need to heat up that water in order to add it to the food. So that's a nice bonus that MREs have, is you've got the heat source included. So while the main dish is cooking, I thought I'd go ahead and try some of the other stuff. So one thing I'm really interested in is this trail mix recovery with beef jerky. Let's give it a shot. Yeah, I can definitely, pretty good. And it's nice with the nuts, the cranberries too. You get a little sweetness. Got the nice protein mix here. Good for getting energy while you're on the go. All right, so next, dry roasted peanuts. As you can see there, tastes like peanuts. I have also not eaten today, so this is perfect for lunch. Just a pack of cranberries. So there's cranberries in with the trail mix, but I guess if you want just some cranberries just as is, you got some cranberries as is. Okay, so the next thing is we got some crackers and cheese spread. Not bad.
It's essentially like the cheese spread that you get like in those little sandwich crackers that's got the little kind of cheese in there. It's what it tastes like. Nothing to write home about. But so we've got this little pack of here with a bunch of different stuff. So we've got moist towelette, packet of Splenda non-dairy creamer, freeze-dried coffee. Oh, napkin. That's handy. Some sugar, some salt. I'm assuming this is, looks like gum. Cover up that coffee breath. Looks like it's been crushed a little bit, so not sure if I'm going to try that. But let's give this coffee a shot. For those of you who know me, I love coffee. I don't have very high expectations for this, but we'll see how it goes. I have filled up a mug with about 6 ounces of hot water. So that's one thing to consider, right? You're going to need, if you like your coffee hot, you're going to need some hot water. You cannot drink the water from here. Even though this is hot water, it's got chemicals in there. Don't drink it. So you're going to have to find some other way to heat up hot water if you're on the trail or wherever. Now, usually I drink my coffee black, so I'm going to try it black first, then I'll go ahead and add the creamer and see how we do. Not great. I guess not great coffee is better than no coffee. So let's go ahead and see if this non-dairy creamer improves it at all. I can't tell if it's improved it or made it worse. Again, I guess some coffee is better than no coffee. So one thing I forgot to try was this little drink packet. It says beverage base orange, whatever that means. We'll find out. I'm assuming it'll taste like orange. Trusty spoon here. All right, well, it is definitely orange. This beverage base orange has at least lived up to the color. Tastes like an orange drink, almost like a Sunny D or something like that. Not too bad. Okay, so it's time to try the main course. So this is what we got on the inside here. We've got our sausage, onions and peppers and a sauce. So let's go ahead and see what it tastes like. Honestly, this is pretty good. Much better than I was expecting. Yeah, this is pretty good. Okay, so overall, my honest opinions, just on the sausage and pepper meal alone. The sausage and peppers themselves, the main entree, definitely the best part of this meal. The trail mix with the beef jerky, that was really good. The nuts were good. Cranberries by themselves, honestly, I could take it or leave it. Probably my least favorite things in the meal kit was probably the crackers and cheese. The cheese spread is just like that really kind of not so great, just fake kind of cheese spread. The crackers were a little bit on the staler side. The coffee was probably the worst part of it, but I'll take what I can get. So now let's try the pizza slice pepperoni. All right, so let's see what we got in this kit. So vegetable crackers, apple pieces in spiced sauce. Interesting. Oatmeal cookie. Beverage drink is a raspberry. Chocolate protein drink powder. Pepperoni pizza with cheese and sauce. So we're going to start with the crackers. And the last one, the crackers they're okay. These are vegetable crackers. We'll see how those are. And the cheese spread is with jalapeños this time. So we'll see how that is. Crack a little bit. Not that great. We'll see how the cheese spread is. Cheese spread's very similar to the other one. Get a little bit of the jalapeno flavor, which adds a nice little. I think I like the one with the jalapeno better than just the regular, but still kind of like that. Just kind of like processed cheese spread. Crackers are good, better with the cheese spread than without the cheese spread. I can tell you that. All right, so next is the chocolate protein drink powder. Okay, so I've added cold water to the fill line right about here, and then it directs to shake for about 60 seconds. Not bad, nice and chocolatey. It's kind of a little bit thick, kind of like a shake. Yeah, kind of tastes like a little cocoa kind of flavor, chocolate. Not bad, actually. Not bad. All right, let's move on to the next one, which I'm kind of excited about, is the oatmeal cookie. Okay. Oh, that's a decent looking cookie. Actually, not bad. This is actually pretty good. One more to be sure. It's a good cookie. Yeah. Honestly, better than I was expecting. It's actually really good. All that cookie needs right now is a nice glass of milk. All right, so let's try the pizza. All right, here we go. I do not have high expectations about this one, but let's see. Let's give it a go. Yeah. Not feeling that one. Not a big fan of the pepperoni pizza. Probably my least favorite thing so far. Everything else that I've tried has been pretty good. And honestly, I keep going back to these sausage and peppers. Like, these are actually surprisingly good. Yeah. Pizza? No. Sausage and peppers. Yeah. I could rock with that. All right, one last thing I have not tried yet, and this is the apple pieces in spiced sauce. I mean, check out those apple slices. Yeah, like a nice warm apple pie. Yeah, that's really good. This is good stuff. Okay, so I've tried 2 different MRE meals from MRE's World. Again, huge thank you to MRE's World for sending me a box. Really appreciate it. MREs are great for talking about survival and disaster preparedness. They're shelf stable. They're really great, high caloric, good for getting energy back. Definitely a good thing to have if you're looking to prepare for disasters. So right now you can go to MREsworld.com and you can purchase just like a box, just like I showed you today. You could purchase one of those. Their website says that they have about a 10-year storage life. Again, you know, you got to use some discretion with that too. It all depends on how you store it too. If you're storing it in different hot temperatures and stuff, you might reduce the shelf life, but they are shelf stable, right? So they're a really excellent source of meals for disaster preparedness. So yes, so again, thank you to MRE's World for for hooking me up with this box of MREs. Everything was pretty good. I really like the sausage and peppers. Pizza, not so much, but everything else was really good. I really like the trail mix with the beef jerky, the apples and that like apple pie stuff. That was really good. The protein shake was pretty good. And yeah, part of me, that cookie. Oh. Yeah. Good stuff. So go ahead. If you want to purchase some of these, go to MREsworld.com, MREsworld.com. I'll put a link in the description where you can go and purchase one of those. So thank you guys so much. If you liked doing these product reviews, if you like it, we'll do more of them. So please comment. Let us know how you liked it. Is there something specific that you'd want us to review or give some feedback on? We'd love to hear your input and your thoughts. So thank you guys so much for tuning in to Disaster Class. Stay educated, stay prepared, stay equipped. We'll see you next time.